Hey, which one of you little fuckheads taught the minions how to say cunt?
G'day, cunt.
It cunt.
Cunny.
Fucking don't.
Cunt.
Yeah, I reckon that was me. Fucking why?
Maybe because you're being a bit of a shit cunt?
Shit cunt?
How do you say it?
No. Shit cunt.
Ah, you're a shit cunt.
Cunt! Won't somebody think of the children?
How about get fucked, cunt?
Cunt. Okay. Fucking shut up.
Cunt.
Fuck up, Damo. Now, if one more of you little cunts drops the C-bomb, I'll feed you to the fucking shark. Me name's Steve.
Well, in that case, may I please say...
You're a cunt, please understand it. And you got caught wanking, you're a cunt.